Good morning, everybody. Coming to you this morning. Got a 94 Dodge, 3/4 ton, 4-wheel drive Cummins truck. Come to me with a leaky radiator and transmission not acting right. First thing done was check the fluid, it's not touching the stack. And going someplace. A lot of self-inflicted wounds on this truck. And come over here to the battery cables. Them been like that for quite some time. It's got new batteries in it, but that ain't got nothing to do with it. Self-inflicted wounds is what's got the majority done to it. A lot of people have had their hands in on this truck. Every once in a while you got to listen to the truck to get the complete story. And come down underneath here. This is a harness that drops down from the top on the left inner fender. Yeah, it's got some broken off wires, and you can see wires have been spliced in there and all kinds of neat stuff. Nothing sealed up. One of them kind of situations, it works. Here we've got, this is the vehicle speed sensor. Got 6 butt connectors in this harness. None of them sealed up. Got a nice little bird's nest right there. Nothing sealed up. Scotch locks. Got quite a leak going on here with the T-case. You can see the tracks. Another butt connector and a starter wire. That wire's just dangling here and there. Sometimes you just gotta let the truck tell a story. Sometimes the truck is the honest one. Every once in a while, you gotta pick your battles. You just gotta say no. Don't want it fixed right? I'm not gonna be the next one in here to make it go Joe. So, y'all have a great day. We'll see you around, and be safe out there. Thank you. Bye.